Hey all, and welcome to Get Good, where today's top tip is how to link code snippets permanently. We recently showed you how to link to a line of code. When you want to link to a specific chunk of code, highlight the section of code by holding Shift and clicking the mouse. Select the ellipsis and click Copy Permalink. Paste the copied URL wherever you want to reference this code. You can also use the keyboard shortcut to create this permalink. Press Y on the keyboard and the URL in your browser will be changed to the permalink. This is a permanent link to this exact commit version of the file. Now you can copy this and use it wherever needed. GitHub is really good at rendering markdown files. If you want to permanently link to markdown file, you'll need the raw version. Add $plain equals 1 to the end of your markdown URL and press enter. Markdown rendering will be disabled. Now your file is shown in raw format and you can copy the specific lines required. Try converting your markdown file the next time you want to share some lines of code. Thank you all for watching and tune in again next time for more top tips.